Hi everyone, this is Kate, and in this video I'm gonna take you through our garden and show you what we are planting and growing this year. Disclaimer, this is my parents' garden and it's fully to their credit that it's so beautiful and I love walking through it and enjoying the sights every day. As far as planting, here are some tomatoes,
as well as
some red peppers,
there is watermelon,
cucumbers and watermelons,
some
cucumbers that I purchased in the store, Hokkaido pumpkins.
I'm really excited to try these.
Another watermelon.
In this
I planted zucchini here, but I think all that's growing right now is some lost sunflower seeds. More peppers. I plant a lot in containers because in our last place I needed to do container planting and I love it. Some more planting in the ground and some more in containers. This is sweet potatoes and many strawberries. I am so excited that we have so many this year. Look at that. Look at that. This is a willow tree. These are raspberries. Here is our mulberry tree. It's gonna have white fruit. Some blackberries. And our favorite neighbor's dog. And the oasis that